Now, reports in this morning, Gardaí are investigating an alleged assault on a girl in Saggart in County Dublin and have arrested a man in his 30s. The alleged incident, which led to the child being hospitalised, occurred on Monday, with the suspected arrest a short time later, as reported in the Irish Times. And I quote as saying, "An area has been sealed off as a crime scene outside the Citywest Hotel, which is used as accommodation for international protection applicants. However, it is understood the child does not reside at the centre, and it was unclear where the suspect has been living." So it's not sure is the person living at this IPAS centre. Now, Garda headquarters confirmed an investigation was underway into an alleged assault and that a suspect had been identified and detained for questioning. Now, Gardaí are investigating an alleged assault of a female juvenile reported to have occurred at Saggart in County Dublin on Monday, and the reply stated, now the legal part of this is that the suspect came to Ireland 6 years ago and had his application for international protection denied in 2024, as reported by the Irish Times, and a deportation order has targeted him since March of this year. So if the alleged suspect indeed returned to the country after a failed asylum attempt, in my opinion, in 2024, this raises significant concerns about Ireland's border security. How might one manage to get around security protocols, not just at an Irish airport, but also Irish ports, also in the country of residence or origin? How did the person manage to get through? One ought to inquire why this person is absent from the international database of individuals who have been barred from entry. And how might an individual who received a deportation order due to a failed application find their way to remain in this state? That's a question to be asked. Now, in my opinion, this represents a criminal act, and if the case is proven in court that officials knowingly, intentionally or recklessly, to the fact, permitted the individual to remain at an international protection centre, which is not proven yet, as reports say, can we not claim that they were sheltering a criminal if this is proven? So in light of this brutal attack of the young girl, the courts might consider civil compensation from the state for its failures if the case is proven, and depending on how the courts view and determine the situation in future proceedings. Now, I have analysed the facts as they have been reported from a legal standpoint, and this situation might bring up important questions for those running in the presidential race. How was such an applicant allowed to come back into the country after being deported? I trust that this event will send ripples through Ireland, which is perfectly appropriate for people to feel angry if the case is proven in the courts. That's all for now. Stay safe.